Hello, people of YouTube. Today I have a do-it-yourself tutorial how to make a fleshlight. I'm sorry for all the women because this is more, how can I say it? This is meant for the men and the boys. And yeah, I think let's get started. First, you need a tube of Pringles. It doesn't matter which flavor it is, just a tube of Pringles, and I mean these big tubes, not those small ones. But if you have a smaller penis, you could use something like this. I don't need this. Fuck it. So yeah, take the can of Pringles, open it. Let's throw that away and you can taste it. Good. But yeah, we don't need the chips, so we can just throw it all to the trash. Like that. And you could wash this, but I don't see any point to that. Just empty all the crumbles. And next, we're gonna need something that's kind of like a penis. Oh, it doesn't have to, just something to, because we're going to put his socks inside there, so something you can push the socks to the bottom of the can. And I just used this hammer because I didn't care for looking for something better. And you start, you want, the first sock needs to be the one that you want that is against your skin and your penis. So you would like to start with a soft sock, but in the end it doesn't even matter. Yeah, just start putting these socks on. And you don't want to leave anything piling here, you want it to be straight socks. So that's why I always pull it behind this hammer. And you can use any kind of socks, dirty ones, like thick ones like these, or smaller ones, or your mom's socks, whatever. Any socks are fine. Just pile them there. You can feel if there is something getting stuck. And I don't know the exact amount of socks you wanna use, so I'm just going to put like these 6 that I have here. Because the more socks you put over this, the tighter the fleshlight will be. And so if you just put them there, and the next thing is to pull the socks over like this. And make sure you don't pull too hard, because the hammer is going to get up from there. Like that. Next thing, you want to be careful pulling this off so all the socks don't come off. That's why this hammer is not pretty good, because it's wider from this bottom point. But you can always just push them away. I think I have used these socks already. And you can feel, yeah, you don't want it to be too tight, because if you have a massive cock, then it won't fit. Yeah. And this fleshlight will have, the feeling will be like asshole and pussy combined. So it's not so real, but it does the job. And if you don't want your socks to get dirty, you can always use a condom. And in my case, I should probably use a condom anyways, because these are my own socks and I know how dirty they are. And you just do the same with the condom. You can just put it a little bit there and pull it over. And once you get fucking, the condom will go to the bottom. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I'm not going to show you how to use this. I hope everybody knows how to use it. If not, quick tip: don't use this side, use this side. And might want to have a hard penis. It's much easier that way. But yeah, I guess that's it. Now you can go enjoy your almost free fleshlight with cost of only the Pringles tube and the condom if you're going to use one. And if you need to buy some socks, they are going to cost you something too. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like this video, and don't masturbate, use your fleshlight. But that is masturbation. Yeah, don't use your hands, because you don't want your other hand to get stronger than the other hand. I guess that's it. Goodbye.